say.
This would be taken to the plan.
Tukkiriza nti sente zino zijja kuyamba ttiimu okwongera okutereeza ebyendabirira n'ebyendya n'ebyentambula oba oli awo ne gye banaasula nga batambudde okugenda mu mpaka zino. Tukkiriza nti ttiimu eno ekisookera ddala eraze empisa, eraze obukugu, eraze obumalirivu era fenga aba Plascon tubenyumirizaamu nnyo era tubalinamu essuubi lingi.
We hope we are not too late. We have had association with the women's netball team since last year, and we are really very proud of the performance. It's not easy to qualify for World Cup and for them to do it for 3 consecutive years. I mean, that's fantastic. And I don't know at what level are we in the world ranking now?
Number 6?
Number 8. Fantastic. We hope that you're able to improve on those rankings. Excellent, fantastic.
My first appreciation wants to I want to send to Plascon team, because since you joined us last year when we went for Commonwealth Games, I remember there was at least a great performance which we had shown to the whole world. For this year, I really want to tell you that it's going to be a big surprise to you, because I see the team we're having this year is more better than the one of last year.